Hi, good evening.
What brought you here today?
Well, one, because Queenie's throwing the party. She's a very good friend, and so I'm here to support her and to see what it's all about.
ये पेरिस के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
Well, I know that she's come to launch her accessories, etc. And I do own a pair of Paris Hilton shoes, which I like very much. Yeah, it's nice to meet people who have come from different parts of the world.
What are you going to say to Paris?
That I own a pair of her shoes.
That's it, nothing else.
Welcome to Bombay, I suppose.
कभी अपना ब्रांड लॉन्च करने की सोचेंगी मतलब अपने नाम से
बिल्कुल ही नहीं.
किसी का ब्रांड फॉलो करना चाहेंगी आप अगर आपको कहा जाए कि कोई हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री या फैशन इंडस्ट्री का कोई ब्रांड हो तो आप इसे फॉलो करना चाहेंगे
अगर सपोर्ट करना है, अगर कोई दोस्त है जो अपना ब्रांड लॉन्च कर रहे हैं तो 100% सपोर्ट करूंगी. अगर मुझे अच्छा लगे या अच्छा ना भी लगे तो मैं 100% सपोर्ट करूंगी.
सुचित्रा एक
Are you aware that Anil Kapoor's father, Surinder Kapoor, is not with us anymore? Are you aware of his sad demise?
I didn't hear about
He
that
passed away at around 8:30 tonight.
this evening.
Yeah. So any condolences
Center,
to Prasanth,
madam.
the Kapoor family?
Well, absolutely. I know something like this is extremely tough for any family to go through. Even recently, Soha and Saif have gone through something like that. The void can never be filled when somebody close to you passes in your family. But hopefully, they will get the strength from the people around them to go through this sad time.
Want bite? अरे कैमरा पीछे करो यार. सबका फ्रेम खराब हो रहा है.
कंगना फाइट बोल के जाओ ना कंगना Come on, Kangna, give us fights, please. We've been waiting, Kangna. Thank you. यार रिपोर्टर भेजो ना उधर.
Hold on, ma'am. Thank you. Just hold on. Thank you.
Excuse me. Hold the mic. नीचे ना नीचे नहीं झुक के.
Whom do you want?
अरे निकल. Okay. You want her bites, right? So we'll.
First pose and then.
Yeah, all right. Move. Mandira. Hi, Mandira.
Mandira. Please pose. Please come in the front for the bite.
Please.
Right. Okay, quickly.
Yeah, good evening, Mandira.
Good evening.
Looking very pleasant. मतलब you have
Pleasant.
come- Yeah.
Pleasant or pleasantly plump?
काफी दिनों बाद आप वापस से ग्लैम वर्ल्ड में इवेंट्स में दिखाई दे रहे हैं.
जी हाँ, तीन महीने का मेरा बेबी है, मेरा बेटा है, तो उस करके मैं थोड़ी बिजी थी, तो अब जाके मैं थोड़ा बाहर निकली हूँ.
आज तो आज अपने इवेंट भी होस्ट किया. क्या कहना चाहेंगे पेरिस के बारे में?
उनका बहुत ही अच्छा लाइन है ऑफ हैंडबैग्स एंड शी इज़ अ वेरी ग्रेशियस एंड अ वेरी फ्रेंडली international celebrity and it was very nice to host the show.
Would you endorse her?
Would I endorse? No. Let's not talk about endorsing anything. She is the face of her brand and that's how it should be.
Thank you so much, Mandira. Excuse me.
Hello. Come along.
Yeah. Move it.
I've just had a baby, so. What had the baby? I saw the baby shower pictures. 3 months now. He's 3 months.
What have you named him? Sushmita, camera look, please.
Hello.
I'm going to leave you to it.
Congratulations.
Thank
Did you all congratulate her on a baby?
Yes, I told them all about my
She's here,
baby.
she's with us. Good
Lovely.
evening, Sushmita.
Good evening.
Looking very different.
No, thank you very much. I like the evening to begin with a compliment, so you're doing really well.
कहाँ हैं आप इन दिनों?
हम लुका छुपी खेलते रहते हैं आपके साथ. I've been traveling quite a bit. I've just been to I went to New York, I went to Brazil, I went to London, and now I'm back. And now I'm off to Seoul, Korea in mid-October for the next pageant, as you know. 3 of our girls will be representing us at different international pageants.
Any disappointment?
जी? But it's not true, huh? This news, मैं भी आपकी तरह सुन चुकी हूँ इस news के बारे में, but I'm not doing सितारे, so this is not true.
Any disappointment? थोड़ा दुख है like for the Miss Universe?
देखिए जब इंडिया नहीं जीतता है तो मुझे डेफिनेटली तकलीफ होती है, बट इतना नहीं होता कि फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेप लेने का जो है हौसला टूट जाए. We're not going to stop till we win it. It's as simple as that. So every year that we come one step closer to winning it, we're achieving what we want.
Paris Hilton brand, what you would like to say about it?
I think it's fantastic. I think it's fantastic that international brands are coming into India ever so often. Whenever the market opens up and investors come in, I think there's a fashion boom. India is ready for it. Paris Hilton has got a very eclectic kind of taste. She's somebody who is extremely expressive. So I'm really looking forward to what she does with it here in
Any
India.
plans for brand swoosh?
Brand Sush? Definitely.
But last आज सुरेंद्र जी अनिल कपूर जी के पिताजी का देहांत हो गया अभी.
जी. In fact, ये पूरे पिछले 1 महीने में we've lost some very special people. But the way I see it is, my condolences of course to the family, but इन सब ने अपनी ज़िंदगी इतनी खूबसूरती से जी है that whenever we remember them, we should do that with a sense of celebration. Wish you all the best.
The last time you told us about you dropped hints about how you might be soon in love or you might be in love with a foreigner. You just mentioned your foreign. Is there any connection up there? Do you get to hear the name now?
Not yet. See you. Bye.
all the best.